morning everyone. This is Ayushi. Let's continue our English class for class 7th. So students, as you know that we have started our past tense. Now today we are going to cover it up. So without further ado, let's get started. This class, first of all, tally the answers of yesterday's homework. In that I ask you complete the passage with the simple past tense of the given verbs. Now, first of all, as I told you, you should know what are the forms of simple past tense. Now see, that is verb second form we have to put if our sentence is positive. But if we talk about our negative sentence, then in that we have to use did plus not, then plus verb first form. Okay, so only these 2 points mainly you have to keep in your mind. Fine. Now let's see here. The first one we have it dash be. Be form, be means is the mother, be word is the mother verb of all the helping verb. Like when in the bracket be is given, whether you can put is, am, are, was, were. Okay, has, have means all the helping verb according to sentence you can put. Now as we have to put here simple past tense, so what we have to fill was, were. So it is singular, that's why we have to use here was. It was a wonder of nature, tree leopard in an American forest, play second form, played with a young fawn, but they do. Now see, do we have, that is first form, so do second form, that is did. Okay, so did not harm the fawn, walk second form, that is walked around the predators on unsteady legs while they lick second form, legged the little things. After a while they let. Now don't forget students, let is also the word. It is irregular, or we can say all three forms are same. Let. First, second, third, three of the forms are same. So let it go. Was it one of those incredible stories of predators who turned nurtures? So here, student, that is turned, TURN, who turned, ed also you have to put, who turned nurtures the wildlife photographer who captured the incredible incident disagree second form, disagreed. I think both parties were just curious means they just want to know everything. Okay, the photos soon make, as I told you, make, made. Okay, and so that is make, made. Maken is not a word. Don't forget, maken is not a word. Make, made their way into social media. Leopards show Bambi some love. Declare second form, declared the newspaper headlines. So I hope you have you done carefully. Okay, now remaining tenses we are going to learn today. The second one, third one we have past perfect tense. Now in that you have to see past perfect tense, simple. It's very easy tense actually student. Why? Because in this you can see here what we have to put, had plus verb third form. Now you are not supposed to be confused. Why? Because whether our subject is singular and plural, with both of them you have to put had plus verb third form. Okay, subject had plus past participle means verb third form, and then plus remaining part of the sentence. Okay, she had finished the test. When we have to convert into the negative, what we have to put, here not. Okay, so she had not, yeah, hadn't plus third form, finished the test. Okay, now for framing the interrogative, just put the helping verb in front of the sentence. Had she finished the test, question mark. Understood? Now you can see here some of the usage that where we have to use this tense to describe an action finished before another past action. Means one past, one action you have completed, and after that one more action we are going to be complete. Now see, Richard had gone out when his wife arrived in the office. Now in this sentence two tasks has been done. The first one, his wife arrived in the office. After that what happened? Richard had gone out. Okay, so one after completion of one task, then second task if we are doing, that will come in past perfect tense. Describe an action that happened before a specific time in the past. Okay, so Christine had describe an action that happened before a specific time in the past. See, first of all, you have to see here that some of the word is given last night. Okay, so last night, that is our past tense. By this we came to know that we have to fill here past one. Okay, so Christine had never been, so had never been to an opera before. So means for the specific time Christine did not go. So that's why had never been means in his future he can go. To describe cause and effect combined with past simple. As I told you in this also we have used simple past. Okay. With simple past also we can use I got stuck. I got, here second form is given simple past tense. I got stuck in traffic because there had been an accident. So there had been an accident. Okay. So that is with the simple past we can use past perfect tense. Okay, because both the actions have been done in the past tense. To emphasize the result of an activity in the past. Same as to emphasize. Emphasize means to focus. I had been to London twice by the time I got a job in New York. Okay, so both the activities again done in the past. So I had been to London means I stayed there. I by the time I got a job in New York. Okay. So I hope you have understood. See, only one thing you have to keep in your mind. Had plus verb third form. This is the form of past perfect tense. Now the last tense we have of past tense, that is past perfect continuous tense. In this sentence simple, as we have done earlier also, perfect and continuous two tenses we have joined. So perfect one, as we have done, had plus verb third form. This is the form. For the continuous, what is the form? Was, were, and then plus ing. This is the form of continuous. Okay. Now when we are going to join them, then I told you how to join. See, from the perfect is given in the front. So from perfect we are going to take the helping verb, that is had. From continuous is given at the back. So from this I am taking main verb ing, and joining the word we are going to be joined both of them, that is been. So what is the form? Had been plus ing, both of them whether subject is singular or plural. Past perfect continuous tense indicates a past action which started in the past and continued to happen after another action and time in the past. Means same in this also, that all complete action is going on in the past only. Okay. So simple, subject plus had been plus ing, subject, then again for the negative one hadn't been, and for the interrogative put the question word in the front, helping verb in the front, then remaining sentence. Okay, as you can see here example, the first one, you had been running. Okay, so you had been running, that is after that for the negative, you hadn't been running, had you been? He, now you can see here you plural, he singular. With both of them we have to put had. He had been running, he hadn't been, had he. She had been, she hadn't been, had she. It had been, it hadn't been, had it been. They had been, they hadn't been, had they been. And the last one, we had been, we hadn't been, had we been. So I hope you have understood these both two tenses were too simple, because in this we have only one helping verb. Okay. Now this is your classwork student. Fill in the blank with simple past or the past perfect tense of the given verb. As I told you, first of all, just write down the forms. Okay. So what is the form of simple past tense? That is verb. Second form we have to fill past perfect had plus verb third form. Okay. I am sure I had turned I had turned the gas before I went to the gym. See, first of all, this is your hint student, as we have done in the when plus verb second form. Same here also, whenever you are getting this before word, after that you have to put verb second form. Okay, and the remaining one, the different tense. Okay, so, and how to know where we have to put? I am sure I had turned the gas before I went to the gym. जिम जाने से पहले आई एम श्योर आई हैड टर्न, मैं गैस टर्न कर चुका था. ओके, सो हैड टर्न. Try to frame the sentence and easily you can fill it. Okay. She had thought of inviting many people to the party initially, but she changed her mind later. Okay, वो सोच चुकी थी but she changed her mind. Okay, so again we translated and then we did. Geeta had lived in Delhi all her life until she moved to Kolkata. Until is a negative word, कि जब तक वो कोलकाता मूव नहीं हुई, गीता हैड लिव्ड इन दिल्ली, वो दिल्ली में रह चुकी थी. ओके, शी वाज लिविंग देयर. सो गीता हैड लिव्ड इन दिल्ली. Dhanush told us that he had already sold his house. It's a very only one clause is given कि already he told us that वो अपना घर बेच चुका था. I had already waited for the taxi for an hour before. It's very easy. Before is given. After this we have to put verb second form. Automatically the remaining word we have to put past perfect tense. Okay, the students had completed several chapters by the time the teachers informed them that the exams had been cancelled. So the teachers, students काफ़ी chapters कर चुके थे. जब तक, कब तक? By the time the teacher, जब तक टीचर ने उनको inform किया. Okay, so they had completed. Fine. So I think you are able to correlate these sentences. How to do them? James exclaimed that he had forgotten to bring the birthday gift. James exclaimed means he surprised. वो बहुत surprise हुआ that वो birthday gift लाना भूल चुका था. Okay, so he had forgotten to bring the birthday gift. Suneet had finished his assignment, so he came to watch a film with us. Okay, so means वो अपना assignment finish कर चुका था, इसीलिए so that is इसीलिए वो हमारे साथ movie देखने आया. So he came to watch a film with us. Understood how to correlate these sentences? Both the action done in the past, but still difference is there. That's why some of the places we have used simple past, some of the places we have used past perfect. Okay, now same like this exercise I am giving you in the homework, that is fill in the blank with the simple past or past perfect continuous tense. Okay, so these only 6 questions. I hope you can do it. Thank you.